Hello friends. Today we will talk about pranayam and the method of Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Before that, we will have a brief talk about yoga whose part is pranayam. First, it called yog, not yoga. The word yoga is thought to be mistaken. This name is coined from the huge metal, which is the word from Sanskrit. The meaning of huge word is to do the union, which means the meaning of yoga is to do union of our soul with the supreme soul, and that is the ultimate goal. Nowadays, some people do the practice of simple pranayam and asanas, and they are giving a self satisfaction that they have done yoga. But yoga cannot be done. Yoga happens because yoga is the result, not the process. There are 8 different steps of yoga. That's why it's called Ashtanga Yoga. Yam, Niyam, Asan, Pranayama, Pratyahar, Dharana, Dhyan, and Samadhi. Now, you tell me, by doing the practice of one or two steps of yoga, can we call it a complete yoga? Not at all. Before proceeding, this was some primary information about yoga which you must tell. Because I have seen many people making such a mistake. That's why it is our aim to reach you the right information and you do not make such a mistake. As we said earlier, today we will talk about pranayam. What is pranayam? Pranayam is made up of two words, prana and ayam. That is to say, pranayam. It is written about pranayam in the Patanjali Yoga Sutra. Tasmin sati swasa praswasa yorgati vichedah pranayam. Tasmin sati means after a posture, means asana, which is a third step of yoga. By breaking the process of inhale and exhaling and stopping the breath process called pranayam. Apart from this, no any process comes under the pranayam. Pranayam has some parts. They are called Rechak, Purak, Kumbhak. Rechak means exhaling. Purak means inhaling. Kumbhak means to stop the breathing. There are two types of kumbhaks, Antar Kumbhak and Bahya Kumbhak. Bahya Kumbhak means to stop the breath outside. Antar Kumbhak means to stop the breath inside. There is one more Kumbhak which is called Keval Kumbhak, but it is not right time to talk about it. There are many types of pranayam. Omkar, Ram Pranayam, Surya Vedan, Chandra Vedan, Anulom Vilom, Sitli, Sitkari, Bastrika, Brahmari, Ujjai, Plavini, Murchai. Generally, many people talk about benefit of pranayam, that there are lot of benefit of pranayam. But the main thing is what is the basic source of this benefit and how it is helpful. Our body is made up of 5 elements: earth, water, fire, air, and sky. Water is subtle from earth, fire is subtle from water, air from fire, and sky from air. When we do pranayam, then these elements get purified. Second thing, our body needs oxygen to function and keep us healthy. And oxygen purify our bloods in our lungs. That means As much as our blood get purified, we will be more healthy. In normal breathing, we do not give much time to our lungs so it can absorb all the oxygen from the taken breath and as much as our blood can get purified. And due to the absence of blood purification, many type of disease comes in our body and our immune system cannot be strong. When we do Kumbhak in pranayam, we give more and more time to our lungs according to our capacity so that a maximum blood purification occur. As much as the blood purifies, our immune system will also become stronger and we will become stronger and healthy. After getting an information on pranayam, let's see how we can do Anulom Vilom pranayam. Before doing pranayam, make sure your body is normal, not too much bent, not too much straight, and your neck should be straight and your eyes should be straight, your body should be straight. Keep your both hand at your both side knee and your left hand make a Gyan Mudra, first finger and thumbnail, and put it in your left knee. Now at right hand make a Prano Mudra, first two finger bend and last two make each other and straight. Take a breath from the left nostril, hold it and exhale from the right nostril. Now inhale from the right nostril, hold it and exhale from the left nostril. This is called a one cycle. Now see it. Inhale from the left nostril, hold it and you may count a number or a chant any mantra within inside and make sure do not hold the breath when you get panic, just normal. Now exhale from the right nostril. Make sure your whole lungs get empty. Now breathe from the right nostril. Hold it as much as you can. And exhale from the left nostril. Make sure the entire lungs get empty. This is a one cycle. In initial stage, you can make a maximum of 5 cycles. As of now, I have not added a Bahya Kumbhak in this process because as your capacity get increase, then you can exhale from the one side, then hold the breath outside for few seconds and take a breath from the same nostril, hold it and exhale from the opposite nostril and hold the breath outside. Do Bahya Kumbhak only when you get expertise into this. Till then, just take a breath from left side, hold it, exhale right side and again inhale from the right side, hold it, exhale from the left side. Thank you.